Introducing our newest bass solution for your Polaris RZR side-by-side. This rear subwoofer is designed to integrate seamlessly with your existing Rockford Fosgate RZR audio kit, delivering a powerful performance upgrade. Featuring our element-ready design, it offers a simple and stealthy installation. This 400-watt subwoofer kit is purpose-built for 2020 to 2024 Pro XP, 2022 to 2024 Turbo R, and 2022 to 2024 Pro-R Polaris 4-seat RZR models. Thanks to its plug-and-play design, installation is simple and straightforward. No drilling, cutting, or complex setup required. It also features our RF3 technology, ensuring a perfect match with the vehicle's factory fit and finish. All components are crafted to exact specifications for best-in-class fitment. The subwoofer kit features an oval ported enclosure for maximum bass output. We've also added a port cap, providing a 100% waterproof design for those deep mud or water adventures. Finally, everything in this system is element ready, as we know this system is going to see its fair share of water, dust, and mud. But don't worry, any outdoor elements you encounter won't be an issue, no matter where the adventure takes you.